Hello lovelies, let's make some luxurious non-greasy whipped body butter that your skin will love this season. Yes, so to make this, we start by measuring out our ingredients. The first ingredient is shea butter. I am using 150 grams of shea butter. Second ingredient is mango butter. I'm also using 150 grams of mango butter. The next ingredient is BTMS 50. I am using 50 grams of BTMS 50. The job is to give this butter the locked out conditioning feel. The next ingredient is cetyl alcohol. I am using 50 grams of cetyl alcohol. And the next ingredient is cocoa butter. I am also using 50 grams of cocoa butter. So after measuring all the butters, we go to the next step, which is melting the butters. So I'm going to melt this on a very low heat using the double boiling method. Okay, so as you can see, the butter have fully melted. So after melting the butter, I put it down, let it cool a little bit, and then we start adding the liquid oils. The first oil here is sunflower oil. I am using 150 grams of sunflower oil, 100 grams of soybean oil, 100 grams of sweet almond oil, 100 grams of IPM. IPM is the secret ingredient that will make this body butter not to feel greasy on your skin when you applied it. So then I'm using the next oil is jojoba oil. I added some jojoba oil, about 75 grams of jojoba oil. Then after that, I mix it properly and allow it to cool further before adding my cool down phase ingredients. So after that, after cooling for a bit, I added 10 grams of vitamin E oil, 5 grams of tea tree essential oil, 5 grams of lavender essential oil, and 5 grams of fragrance oil. This is optional. If you want fragrance, you can add. If you don't want fragrance, you leave it. So I let it set. If you're in a hurry, you can put this in the fridge for it to solidify. I didn't put mine in the fridge. I just left it outside. I covered it and left it outside for some hours, and I came back, it solidified and gave me this texture. So this is the texture you want before you start whipping. So we're going to whip this. I'm going to whip it until it doubles in size. Okay, give it a very good whipping. Yeah, so as you can see, it has doubled in size and the color have changed from that yellowish to white. Yeah, but you can see the texture is still like, I want it to be more solid, so I'm going to cover it and give it more time to solidify more. Then I came back and gave it another whipping, and I got the texture I was looking for. This is the texture I need. Okay, so as it is now, the whipped butter is ready. Yeah, so the next step is for you to package. Yeah, just package it in your jar or in any container of your choice and enjoy. You can sell it as it is, or you can give it out as Christmas gifts. And that is it, guys. If you have any question concerning this recipe, you can leave it in the comments section, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.